waiting for the start at Kildare. All eyes will be on the favourite, Electron engine. Gate spring, right up there early is Myth-Match. Convincing Cobble, also off to a good start. Electron engine leading. Art Groups travelling on the fence, being overwhelmed by Egg Rebellion. Poison Plate gathering momentum, stride for stride with Myth-Match, followed by Skunk Sword. Then as the race moves on, it's Electron engine. Myth-Match in second. Cheetah's Cassock with a brilliant turn of foot. Convincing Cobble with a magnificent run. Skunk Sword charging through. Egg Rebellion gaining momentum and flying through. Art Group in the lead. Electron engine not feeling good where it is. 2 lengths behind, it's Poison Plate. Great run from the outside by Snowball Worry. Digital Destiny pushing past horses. Pounding down the course, it's Electron engine. Convincing Cobble getting moving. And then it's Myth-Match. Poison Plate is coming with a huge run. Afternoon Porter is charging out deep. Charisma Caramel with a brilliant turn of foot. Snowball Worry with a magnificent run. Electron engine is the front runner. Myth-Match in second position. A length behind, it's Art Group. Electron engine charging through. Poison Plate gaining momentum and flying through. Afternoon Porter pushing past horses. The race continues with Myth-Match. Art Group in second place. Just has a margin over Skunk Sword. Then Electron engine. 2 lengths away, it's Convincing Cobble. Afternoon Porter is coming with a huge run. 1200 to race and it's Myth-Match. Electron engine seems to be in a good position. Art Group in third spot from Convincing Cobble. Afternoon Porter with a brilliant turn of foot. Trouble Aftershock in 19th spot, putting in a strong bid with Capsule Owner. Myth-Match maintaining the prime spot, head and head with Electron engine. Art Group putting the pressure on. 3 lengths away, it's Convincing Cobble. Continuing around the track, it's Electron engine. Myth-Match in second place, head and head with Skunk Sword, pushing hard in front of Art Group. Electron engine leads the race. Skunk Sword in second spot, and then it's Art Group heads up and down with Myth-Match. Pounding down the course, it's Electron engine, and here comes Skunk Sword. Art Group in third, Myth-Match next. Electron engine in first place. Skunk Sword wants the front. 1 length behind, it's Art Group. As they come towards the line, it's Electron engine. Convincing Cobble is coming home from the clouds. Thumb Tombstone is flashing home. Electron engine takes the race. Skunk Sword in second place. Art Group in third.